In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design your buttons in Power BI Desktop. Once you have a button on your report canvas, the first thing to do is select it. Click directly on the button so it's clearly highlighted. This tells Power BI that you want to work with that specific visual and prevents changes from being applied to the page or to a different element. If you see a selection box around the button with handles on the edges, you're in the right place. With the button selected, go to the ribbon at the top and click the Format tab. As soon as you do, you'll notice the pane on the right switches into the Format Navigator. This is where your design tools live. If the pane doesn't update, double-check that the button is still selected before clicking the Format tab again. When selected properly, the controls you need will appear. Inside the Format Navigator, you'll notice two key areas, the Visual tab and the General tab. The Visual tab contains settings that are specific to the visual you've selected, which in this case is your button. This is where you'll see options tailored just for buttons, such as controls for the button's appearance, icon and text, states like default and hover, and other stylistic choices unique to buttons. As you explore, you'll see previews update on the canvas so you can evaluate changes in real time without committing to them. The General tab also offers tools that affect your button's design, but these controls are shared across many visual types. You can expect to find options related to sizing, position, alignment, responsiveness, and other layout-level settings that help your buttons sit neatly within your report. While these are not exclusive to buttons, they're incredibly useful for dialing in spacing, making sure elements line up, and maintaining a consistent look across your pages. A few quick tips as you work within these tabs. Keep an eye on color contrast so your button text remains readable, especially if your report will be viewed on different screens. Use consistent sizing and alignment to create a clean visual rhythm across the canvas. And if your organization uses a theme, lean on those theme colors to keep your buttons consistent with the rest of your visuals. That's the flow. Select the button, click the Format tab on the ribbon, and use the Visual and General tabs in the Format Navigator to access the tools you need. And there you go. Those are the essential controls you'll use to design your buttons in Power BI Desktop. That's all.